Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Osoba.
Kábíyèsí, the Imperial Majesty, the Onírìṣà, Aláìlúwà, Ojúbà, Kádípẹ́ lórí kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀. Kábíyèsí, ẹ pẹ́ fún wa o. The chairman of Sun Publishing newspaper, my great daughter, I was there at her wedding some few years ago. And I want to welcome you to the profession. This is your first year. You are going to do greater things as you grow older. Thank you. She has said we should stay on existing protocol, so I don't want to commit terrible mistake because there are too many eminent Nigerians present here today. I want to express my appreciation to the management and staff of the Sun Publishing Limited for keeping faith with the arduous task of conferring honors on Nigerians who have done very well. For an organization to follow a painstaking process to select people are judged to have accomplished something that deserve awards says a lot. It means that such organization like the Sun believes that with great effort, the best will always be found. I commend the Sun for being consistent in giving awards. I have followed this award ceremony and I have attended in the last 20 years. I have attended most of the Sun Award, except during the COVID. And I want to plead with all of us to let us renew our faith in this country. Nigeria is a great country. In spite of our problem, we are still one of the greatest countries in the world. This year, we have the opportunity to lay the foundation for greater Nigeria. It is an election year. This year's election are very, very significant. We are transiting from one government to another. And we must sustain this because since 1999, we have done very well by transiting from civilian to civilian, and we have been able to keep those characters to do their normal job. We have been able to keep the military out. The whole world is looking at us as a nation and as Nigerians. We must strive to fully participate in the exercise to be part of history in electing leaders for the country at all levels. And therefore, urge all of us, let us all, irrespective of our status, be there to be involved and to elect those that we want to govern us at all levels.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe, hete.
Face TV Osoba.